Hey YouTube, this is my first video for this channel. So yes, my name is Mikhail Jones, and yeah, I love making YouTube videos so to entertain you guys. Today is just a regular old blog telling something about me because it's my first video. But right now, I'm cooking some fries. Right now, you see. Watch that out a little bit. Yeah, so I'm cooking me some fries so I can eat. I'm gonna eat some hot dog with it. And so, yo, y'all go. I have a whole board. I am 13 and in 7th grade this year. I'm 12, finna turn 13, but I'm in 7th grade this year. I live. I ain't gonna tag. That's too much information. But play football and I'm strong. Yeah, and we go all in every day. Yeah, practice. We go practice Monday through Friday. So yeah, that basically it. My brother named Malik, he gonna be in these videos sometimes. But guess what? Love y'all. Peace.